Oh, okay, a little bit more to get up the hill. That's solid ice. Wild. I've slipped twice, which was actually kind of fun. Be great for a sled, but so one time you'll say thank you for having thorns going up the side of your driveway. Can be used as traction. All right, finally making it up this driveway. Hey, welcome back, YouTube fans. So we're here in the western North Carolina in the middle of this super cold weather. This is my solar mini split. It's still working. I'm freezing outside. Let's go see what it's like inside. Solid ice. Hold up. You see solid ice everywhere. Look at that. That's ice. Everywhere ice. Ice on the steps even. Going up to the building. Alright. Looks like we are at 86 degrees. That's what we set that up. So it's keeping everything nice and warm. So you got one thing going on. I guess check your firmware on these, because one of the inverters decided not to push any power out. It's not catching the parallel. Apparently Signature Solar says that if the firmware is not synchronized, it won't work properly for the parallel on the load. So just get that checked on the version numbers. And so they're updating right now, and then after this should turn off the lights, recycle the power, and it should be back up and going. But for the mini split, it's got nice warm air out. Let me just get up on my bed here, or our bed. Yeah, that's like nice and warm coming out. Just wonderful right there. So if you're wondering if one of these will handle these cold temperatures, yes, it will. In fact, depending on the size of your room, it can make it very, 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 very hot. So I put it at 86 just to heat up a little bit more. Only because I had it sitting at like 68 degrees. And since we came here, I want to be a little more warm. There's the power cycle. Look at that. Oh, perfectly timed. So I'm just going to watch this come back up and see if that synchronizes based off of my conversation with the technical support. And by the way, they did all that remote. I didn't have to do anything from here because I didn't even bring a laptop. And the lights are back on. All right. We'll come back here and we'll see if that comes back up to the temperature we were looking for that setting on heat. And it looks like it did. All right, all is good. So as a review on cold temperatures for the mini split, that's good to go. No problems there. Again, if you have any other questions, please don't forget to put them down in the comments. If you want to see any specific items or get anything answered, just put that down there. For now, I'm going to go ahead and go. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos. Thank you, everyone. So I just want to take a quick second. I want to give a quick shout out to Jordan at Signature Solar. He's one of their tech support reps who helped me get this thing back up and going. It needed a firmware update. It was still running. It just had where the parallel wasn't working. It didn't want to push power out. So gave Signature Solar a quick call. They helped me get this up and going again. Everything's running good in parallel. So we got the smiley face right here and a smiley face right there. Awesome. Thanks very much. I appreciate all your help. Thank you very much. Believe it or not, that was still collecting solar power. God knows how. Time to get back down the hill. Here we go. Whoa, solid ice. This is not snow, folks. That is inches of solid ice. So this is going to be a very dangerous trip back down. Hopefully I can go just slow and I don't pull a Sonny Bono. And I have to walk on this thorny stuff to have some. Well, now I'm sliding. Here we go. Okay. Let's see if I can lean this way. No. Oh gosh. Here we go. Okay. Gotta keep my wallet. Oh. Well. Okay. I'm gonna just slide to the bottom.